Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do something. We're going to prep some chickens up. We're not actually going to cook them. I'm just going to show you a way to clean your chickens and get them ready to go. Whether you want to roast them in the oven, whether you want to throw them on the grill, hit them in the pan, put a hot brick on them. This is a great way to do it. It's going to stay nice and moist and juicy, because you're still cooking everything with the bones, but it's also going to cook a little faster and a little more even. So, of course, everybody loves a nice whole roast chicken. Who doesn't? But here's just another way to do it. Let's mix it up a little bit, and like I said, make it a little different, or a little something. So we're going to take, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just nip off these little ends, because we're not going to need them. And then to get this ready, we can do one of two ways. What I usually like to do is I just take my knife, a nice heavy knife that you've got, and the backbone here, we're just going to cut the backbone out and then split it wide open. So super easy. Watch this. So right on the side of the tail, you're going to take that and just run your knife right down, and you get a nice straight line, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. And again, don't put your fingers inside the chicken because they'll cut. So you got your fingers outside. Okay. And you can save that for a stock or roast that separate. And then you're going to take this chicken, and then right where that breastbone is at, just give it a little score and really just spread it out. Now, what you're going to find is then you've got the chicken here, and this is all spread out nice and even. And then that's going to be able to go in your roasting pan. Or, we can marinate these up, throw that right on the grill like that, but look how even that's going to grill or whatnot. So, if you're not comfortable using the knife with that, another way you can do it, again, you can leave those little tips on if you like them. For this one, maybe we will. Get your kitchen shears, and you're going to do the same thing. Again, you've got the backbone, the little tail, start right at the tail, and you're just going to run right up, all the way to the neck, and the same thing on the other side. And again, we're going to save that. Come in here, and then the same thing. We're just going to split it open. You got a little piece of fat, you can pull that off. Come in here, just score it. Press it down, and get that ready to roast. Like I said, you can marinate that up. These are beautiful on the grill like this. If you wanted to get super fancy, you could take this. This would be a perfect starting point if you wanted to debone the whole chicken, but that's not today. So anyway, this is a great way to do it, get you ready. So go ahead and marinate that up and get it ready. And Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. As always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and let us know what you think.